Today we are officially opening the 5G AT&T Innovation Studio. This space is equipped with AT&T 5G network. It includes our millimeter wave, our sub-6. We're going to have here our standalone core, edge capabilities, and network APIs that will allow us to unleash some of the extraordinary immersive experiences that comes with 5G.
We can't do that in a vacuum, of course, and to really bring to life the unforeseen kind of possibilities of 5G, we've partnered with Ericsson and Nokia, who are helping us build out the technology and really the environment we need to be able to deliver those end-to-end consumer experiences that are really going to wow you and me when we see them on our phones.
Hey, yeah. You said me.
This is where we bring products and services to market a lot faster than without it. So we bring in customers, they can play with the new technology. We have the next generation core in here, edge compute platform, all the software stack that's really going to make this thing exciting.
One of the most exciting use cases to me is one that we've been working on with Microsoft Azure along with the drone company called Eva. And in that particular use case, they're using the power of our 5G network coupled with our AT&T Network Edge. And the power of those two coming together provides a low latency connection to those drones and allows them to control those drones right here from our prototype in the Innovation Studio. What that allows us to do is to create a playbook and take the key learnings from this prototype experience and help us figure out ways to drive drone control adoption on our 5G network.
Some of the really cool use cases that we're going to study in the studio include modernizing sports and entertainment. Some really cool stuff you can do with holographic communications, overlays on top of your sporting events. It's going to blow your mind once you see what comes out of here.
That's the power of this place. When you bring engineering from AT&T as well as the ecosystem with developers and companies out there, that combined forces taking advantage of the 5G capabilities is what will drive the next wave of innovation.
To learn more about AT&T, subscribe to this channel, visit the AT&T newsroom, or watch more videos in the playlist seen here.